quick reading for February the 15th to February the 16th, Leo. We have the Eight of Cups, the Queen of Pentacles, and the High Priestess. So, may pagkakataon dito na parang sinasabi natin, should I leave the connection? Should I actually give more to this connection and try harder? Ito yung mga pagkakataon na siguro magkakaroon tayo ng confusion about sa relationship natin because we might feel that our person is not giving us the love that we need sa connection. So parang sabi mo, next year ayoko na itong ma-experience or some other events. Probably you want your Valentine's next year to be loving, no? Pero nandito ka sa situation, you're sitting on a throne, probably sitting on a fence, thinking what to do, either to fix the connection or either moving forward. But this is definitely something na medyo pinag-iisipan natin ang mga bagay-bagay na iniintindi natin ang ating sarili rather than intindihin ang ibang tao. This is your quick reading, Leo, for February the 15th to February the 16th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.